Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print using Canva. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So first we need to go and open the browser, and then I'm going to pick up Google here, and then I will search for Canva, and open this website for Canva. And from here, we can go for any design of these. So for example, let's search for CV, or resume better say, and let's pick up this one for example. And click on customize this template, and so here we got this template here in order to edit. So let's say for example you've changed the name to for example to John up here, and you would like to print this one. So go over here for share, and then go for download and change it to a PDF print, and click on download and wait a few seconds until it's downloading. So it's been downloaded successfully over here. Let's go and open the downloads and open this file. In here, you can able to print it, just Control P in order to print this design or resume. Also, there's another option to click over here on this button to print this file. So please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.